The XRP ledger is rapidly gaining traction as a revolutionary technology, transforming global finance, and recent developments have pushed it into the spotlight. Like never before, just recently, the Bank of England officially approved the XRP ledger for interbank settlements, a major milestone that signals a new era for blockchain technology within traditional financial institutions. This approval isn't just a token endorsement, it's a clear message that one of the world's most respected central banks sees real value and reliability in the XRP ledger's capabilities. But the story gets even more compelling. Currently, 37 central banks across the globe are actively testing the XRP ledger in their own pilot programs and payment systems. This level of institutional adoption and interest is unprecedented for a blockchain platform, and it tells us that XRPL is transitioning from experimental technology into mainstream financial infrastructure. To truly understand the significance of this, we need to explore Ripple's strategic partnership with ARAX, a UK-regulated digital asset exchange and custodian music. This partnership aims to tokenize real-world assets such as equities, bonds, and money market instruments on the XRP ledger. Tokenization is a game-changer because it enables traditional financial assets to be represented digitally on the blockchain, unlocking enormous benefits including fractional ownership, increased liquidity, faster settlement times, and reduced costs by integrating these assets onto the XRPL. Ripple and ARX are creating a powerful bridge between legacy finance and the emerging digital asset ecosystem, opening new avenues for institutional participation and adoption. When comparing Ripple and the XRP ledger to traditional payment systems like SWIFT, the advantages become glaringly obvious. The world of finance is rapidly evolving, and the need for faster, more efficient payment solutions has never been greater. As global commerce expands, the limitations of legacy systems are becoming more apparent to both businesses and consumers. SWIFT, which has been the backbone of international money transfers for decades, suffers from slow settlement times, high costs, and a reliance on multiple intermediaries. Transactions can take several days to complete, and each step in the process adds additional fees and potential points of failure, making it less than ideal for today's fast-paced digital economy. In contrast, Ripple offers near instant settlement of transactions at a fraction of the cost with increased transparency and security. The XRP ledger's decentralized nature means transactions are validated in seconds, not days, and users can track their payments in real time, reducing uncertainty and risk. This has led to banks and payment providers gravitating toward Ripple's solutions as they seek to modernize and streamline their cross-border payment infrastructures. By embracing blockchain technology, financial institutions are able to offer their customers faster, cheaper, and more reliable services than ever before. The adoption data backs this up. The XRP ledger recently hit an all-time high of 3.8 million transactions per day, reflecting robust network activity and growing trust among users and institutions alike. As more organizations join the network, the benefits of this innovative technology are only expected to increase, shaping the future of global payments. Let's take a closer look at the numbers and what they could mean for the future of XRP. Understanding the scale of potential growth is crucial for anyone interested in the evolving world of digital assets. If XRP were to reach a price of $10, it would represent a market capitalization of roughly $500 billion. That's a significant leap from where it stands today, and it would place XRP among the top digital assets globally, rivaling some of the largest companies in the world by market value. While that figure may seem large, it actually pales in comparison to gold's market cap of approximately $15 trillion. Gold has long been considered a safe haven and a store of value, but the digital landscape is opening up new possibilities for assets like XRP to play a similar role in the financial system. This comparison really highlights the enormous potential for growth. If XRP can capture a meaningful share of the global settlement and tokenization markets, the gap between traditional assets and digital currencies is narrowing, and XRP is well-positioned to benefit from this shift. The recent central bank approvals and growing institutional interest suggest that this price level is not just a distant dream, but honestly a plausible target in the near to midterm. As adoption accelerates, as more financial institutions and governments explore blockchain solutions, XRP's relevance and utility are only set to increase beyond price speculation. It's important to understand the broader ecosystem Ripple is building. Ripple's partnerships and technological advancements are laying the groundwork for a robust, interconnected Financial network. XRP's role as a bridge currency in cross-border payments is just the beginning. Its speed and low transaction costs make it an attractive option for financial institutions looking to streamline global transfers by supporting the tokenization of a wide array of real-world assets. The XRP ledger is positioning itself as a foundational layer for the digital economy. This means everything from real estate to stocks and commodities could be represented and traded seamlessly on the blockchain. This will create sustained demand for XRP tokens to facilitate liquidity and settlement, fostering a positive feedback loop where increased usage drives price appreciation, which in turn incentivizes further adoption as the ecosystem matures. XRP could become an essential part of the global financial infrastructure, supporting innovation and efficiency. In ways we are only beginning to imagine, the implications of 37 central banks testing XRP ledger technology cannot be overstated. These are some of the most influential financial institutions worldwide, and their involvement indicates a tectonic shift in how money moves internationally. We can expect more announcements in the coming months as pilots transition to production systems and banks move to integrate XRP ledger technology into their operations. This will be a key catalyst for market momentum, potentially sparking a significant rally in XRP price. Investors and traders should closely monitor updates from Asia Pacific and European central banks, as these regions are at the forefront of financial innovation and digital transformation. These areas are not only leading blockchain innovation in finance, but are also setting new standards for how digital assets like XRP are integrated into mainstream banking and payment systems. The adoption timelines and regulatory approvals from these influential regions will likely play a pivotal role in shaping the trajectory of XRP's growth and its acceptance as a trusted financial tool over the next several years. In summary, the XRP ledger's 16 trillion secret is that it is quietly evolving into a central hub for the future of global finance, connecting institutions and enabling seamless value transfer across borders. The recent approval from the Bank of England marks a significant milestone, signaling growing institutional trust in XRP's underlying technology. Meanwhile, ongoing pilot programs and rigorous tests by dozens of other central banks worldwide indicate that XRP is not merely a speculative asset, but is rapidly becoming a core piece of financial infrastructure embraced by major economies. This real-world adoption and institutional integration could fundamentally reshape XRP's value proposition, market dynamics, and its role in the evolving digital economy. To those holding XRP or considering investment, it's crucial to see beyond short-term price swings and understand the deep structural changes underway. The ongoing integration of real-world assets combined with XRP's unmatched speed and cost advantages could fuel sustained growth for years to come. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which bank do you believe will be the next to adopt XRP ledger technology? How do you see this impacting the future of finance and XRP's price? Share your predictions and comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please like that video and subscribe for more expert analysis on crypto and blockchain developments. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on this exciting journey. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Please do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.